In this video, we'll look at calculating the average rate of change on a polynomial function. The question reads, find the average rate of change of y equals 2x cubed minus 4x squared for 2 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 5. So find the average rate of change on this function between these two x values. We start with our average rate of change formula, which is very, very similar, if not identical, to the slope formula you've been using since grade 9. The only difference is we write it with function notation. But this is really the same as the y value of the second thing, take away the y value of the first thing, over x2 minus x1. That is, we want to calculate the y value at x equals 5 minus the y value at x equals 2, all over, subtract the x values, 5 take away 2. So on the side here, we'll calculate each of those y values. Start with f at 5, just because it comes first. No reason, you can do either one first. You get 2 times 5 to the power of 3 minus 4 times 5 squared, which equals 2 times, you can do it in your head, or you can use a calculator, whatever works best for you. It's 2 times 125 minus, and here you might be able to do 5 squared in your head, that's just 25. So that's 2 times 125, again, probably can do that in your head, 250, take away 4 times 25, that's easy to do in my head, 4 quarters, 4 times 25 is 100. And what's 250 take away 100? Again, you're welcome to do things in your head, but no judgments if you use a calculator. You get that the value of y at x equals 5 is 150. Okay, let's calculate the value of y at x equals 2. Use the equation and sub in a value of 2 where the x used to be, and a value of 2 for this other x as well. Lots of this work I'm probably going to do in my head because this 2 just stays here. With 2 to the power 3, that's easy. 2 times 2 times 2, it's 8. Minus 4 times, what's 2 squared? 2 times 2, that's just 4. So we get 16. Take away 16. Interesting. We end up with 0. Cool. Well, now we've got the value of f at 5 minus the value at f at 2 all over the difference between them. And what's the difference between them? 5 take away 2 is 3. So we get the rate of change is 150 over 3. Again, an easy calculation if you want to do it in your head. Otherwise a calculator. 150 divided by 3 gives 50. So what does that tell us? It tells us that between 2 is less than x is less than or equal to 5, in that interval, the average rate of change, that is the slope, between these two x values is 50. And that's how you find the average rate of change when working with a polynomial function.